On the eve of the World Environment Day, United for Greener Earth ane Swachhanda Samstha. On the eve of the World Environment Day today, United for Greener Earth, an NGO who has come out with this bright idea, and then they have approached us. We Image Hospital are proudly to associate with this cause, and we have started this mission on the World No Tobacco Day, that is on 30th of May, and we are continuing this, and today we are having a 5K run in the LB Stadium, started here at 7 a.m. today morning, and all of the participants, I think they are now approaching and coming back to the LB Stadium, where today they will be declaring, most of them are non-smokers here, and that is how we have only the participants eligibility is being a non-smoker, and with this maybe thousands of participants are here. I think they will definitely create awareness among the youngsters of today. By 2020, I think all these youngsters will definitely create awareness among everyone, and year by year I think that ratio should increase. And on behalf of all the youngsters and Image Hospitals, we declare this run open and a very success, and many more youngsters should come up every year to promise that they are going to become non-smokers. That is the main aim of today's 5K run at the LB Stadium at Hyderabad. Definitely Image Hospitals will be supporting such events in near future. Maybe shortly they are also planning with No Plastic Day. So I think very soon we should also become plastic free environment, and this is how we are showing our attitude towards the mother nature. And if the nature is quiet, it will give a pleasant, and in a natural way it will be helpful to the next generation. I think today's youngsters are all promising here and signing here that they are going to quit smoking today. I think there will be thousands of signatures today at the LB Stadium. Actually, we have started a website called No More Smoking on 30th of May, and they have registered a lot of thousands of youngsters from the corporates, from the colleges, and I think BTech and MBBS students have registered themselves and declared themselves as non-smokers. And today all of them are here to participate in the 5K run at the LB Stadium, and they will be creating an awareness among their corporates and colleges. And today we are announcing a green awards for all the corporates who are declaring themselves and their corporates as no smoking zones, because in every corporate today we find smoking zones. As a health club, they are also till today they are having smoking zones, but from today onwards lot of corporates are promising and creating awareness by declaring themselves as non-smoking zones. So all the corporates who are declaring themselves as non-smoking zones will be given a green awards today. Thank you.